Over the years, I've had many conversations with highly experienced and well-intentioned L&D professionals that go something like this. We need to upskill our managers. And then they say something like, to be better at courageous conversations, or to be able to coach my team, or any of 1,000 different manager skills. Let's go with coaching my team at this point. To give them coaching skills so they can develop their team. Can you help? So can I compliment you on choosing such an important, critical skill to develop your managers with? And it's something I can definitely help you with. Here, let me give you some examples of how I've been just brilliant in the past. Yada, yada, yada. And off they go to design what is probably going to be a great coaching program. But although they started with a defined business need, and if the consultant's worth his money, they'll have some way of measuring the ROI at the end, they still started in a funny place, one which might deliver the business outcomes or might not. Let's see what happens when you start in a different place. They'd understood that coaching was a good idea, but failed to quantify why. What is it that's going on that makes coaching the solution? We have to have that business need front and centre. We can now brainstorm all sorts of alternative solutions to meet that specific defined business outcome. And if coaching turns out to be the best answer, then we have a very clear idea of what needs to change, and we can design the coaching training to fit it. This is undoubtedly so much better than a generic "let's all be good coaches" program. And measuring impact and ROI is simple. Does that mean we can start designing our fabulous coaching program? It's easy to think that's the next step, but there's something else to get clear about first. Once we've got the business need quantified, we now need to decide what's the behaviour change that will deliver that outcome. So we define the behaviour change as cleanly and as clearly as we can. What is the behaviour that will give us what we want? What won't? Who is it that we want behaving that way? Who else is involved with this? Once we've got answers to those sorts of questions, now we're ready to begin designing a development program. Now? Yes, now.